All right, let's dive into this.
Yeah.
Quality engineering technician interviews.
Mm.
You know, imagine yourself walking into that plant or lab confident,
Yeah.
knowing how to make sure everything's top-notch quality.
Absolutely.
That's the goal.
Yeah. And we've got the resources to help get you there.
Yeah,
You know,
with RoleCatcher.
you're the role catcher.
Not just basic interview tips, but
Real insights.
yeah, real insights into what this role actually needs,
Mhm.
how to show off your skills,
Right.
even how AI can give you a personalized edge.
Yeah. It's not just about inspecting widgets.
Right.
It's about being a detective,
Yeah.
a problem solver.
Yeah.
You're ensuring that everything runs smoothly
Right.
and meets those sky-high quality standards.
Okay, so let's jump into some interview questions.
Okay, let's say they hit you with, what experience do you have in quality engineering?
Oh, tough one.
Now, even if you haven't held that exact title,
Right.
don't panic. Think about any time you had to identify and resolve a problem,
Mm.
improve a process, or ensure quality in your work.
Okay.
Did you ever streamline a workflow at a previous job?
Uh-huh.
Maybe you caught a potential error before it became a major issue.
Right, yeah.
Those experiences are gold.
So it's about framing those past experiences to really highlight those skills.
Yes.
What if they ask about tools and software?
Okay?
Should you just rattle off a list?
Definitely not.
Okay.
Let's say they ask, what tools and software are you proficient in?
Okay.
Don't just name drop programs.
Uh-huh.
Show them you understand how those tools actually contribute to quality analysis.
Okay.
Maybe you're comfortable with SPC software.
Right.
Explain how you used it to analyze variations and make those products even better.
So it's about connecting the dots, showing you understand the why behind the what.
Yes.
Okay, this next question is a classic.
Okay.
Tell me about a time you identified and resolved a quality issue.
It's STAR method time. Remember, situation, task, action, result.
Right.
Pick a story that showcases your problem-solving skills and your dedication to quality.
Okay.
Maybe you spotted a potential defect before it reached production,
Uh-huh.
or you implemented a process improvement that slashed errors.
Right.
Paint a vivid picture for them.
You got to make them feel like they were right there with you.
Yes.
Okay, so what about continuous improvement?
Okay.
That sounds so broad. How do you even answer that?
Think lean manufacturing principles.
Okay.
It's all about eliminating waste and optimizing those processes for efficiency and quality.
Okay.
So when they ask, how do you ensure continuous improvement?
Yeah.
You can discuss your proactive approach,
Uh-huh.
your willingness to learn.
Okay.
Maybe even mention specific methodologies you've used to drive that change.
So lean manufacturing is all about making things better, smarter, faster.
Yes.
Got it. But
Yeah.
quality often involves working with,
Different teams.
different teams.
Lots of teams.
What if they ask, how do you ensure effective communication with cross-functional teams?
This is where your diplomacy skills come in.
Okay.
Highlight your ability to understand and address the needs of various stakeholders.
Uh-huh.
Whether it's engineering, production, or even management,
Okay.
you're the bridge builder,
Yeah.
the communicator,
Right.
ensuring everyone's on the same page and striving for that quality goal.
Diplomacy, collaboration, communication.
Yeah,
Key ingredients for this role.
absolutely.
What about the tools to help you nail these questions?
Yes.
That's where RoleCatcher comes in.
RoleCatcher, absolutely.
Okay.
Imagine having access to over 120,000 interview questions and answers, all tailored to this specific role.
Okay.
And get this, RoleCatcher's AI can actually give you feedback on your responses,
Really?
your delivery,
Wow.
even how well you're matching the job's needs.
So it's like having a personal coach
It is.
in your pocket.
Yes.
Okay, that's pretty mind-blowing. So it's not about giving generic answers.
Right.
It's about tailoring your responses to make sure you're hitting the mark
Yes.
for that specific employer.
Exactly.
RoleCatcher helps you do that.
It does.
That's awesome.
But let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Okay.
We still have plenty of interview questions to tackle.
All right, bring it on.
Okay. Okay, let's dive back into those interview scenarios.
Yep.
Now, quality is all about following the rules, right?
Right.
So how would you answer this question? How do you ensure compliance with quality standards and regulations?
Well, it's definitely not enough to just say, I follow the rules.
Right.
They want to see that you understand the why,
Exactly.
not just the what.
Think about those industry standards,
Okay.
like ISO 9001,
Hmm.
or maybe those specific to the company.
Yeah.
Have you ever conducted internal audits?
Right.
Maybe you were responsible for maintaining documentation or training others on those standards?
So it's about showcasing your proactive approach.
Yes.
You're not just passively following the rules.
Right.
You're actively ensuring that those systems are in place.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now let's shift gears a little bit to a more hands-on aspect of the role.
Okay.
Imagine they ask, what is your experience with quality assurance testing?
Okay.
This is your chance to highlight those practical skills.
Yeah, testing is a huge part of quality control.
Absolutely.
It's not just about finding problems. It's about preventing them from even reaching the customer.
Absolutely. Walk them through your approach to testing.
Okay.
How do you develop those test plans? What types of tests have you performed?
Right.
Functional, performance, regression.
Yeah.
Show them you understand the importance of each phase.
Right.
And how it contributes to that overall quality goal.
It's about demonstrating that you're not just following a checklist.
Right.
You understand the reasoning and the impact of each step. Speaking of methodologies, the RoleCatcher Guide mentions Six Sigma quite a bit. Yes, it's a valuable tool.
Okay.
It seems like every quality job wants you to know Six Sigma.
It does, yeah.
If they ask, what is your experience with Six Sigma methodology?
Okay.
This is your chance to shine.
Okay.
No, don't just throw out a textbook definition of DMAIC.
Okay.
Define, measure, analyze, improve, control.
Right. They want to see how you've actually used it.
Exactly.
Not just that you've heard of it.
Did you participate in a project to reduce defects on a production line? Maybe you use Six Sigma tools to analyze data and pinpoint areas for improvement.
Okay.
Give them a concrete example.
Right.
A story that shows you understand how to apply those principles.
So it's all about showcasing those real-world applications. Proving you can walk the walk.
Yeah.
Not just talk the talk.
Now, problem solving is a huge part of this role.
Yeah.
And that often involves digging deeper to understand the root cause of an issue.
Right.
When they ask you, what experience do you have in root cause analysis? Think about specific tools or methodologies you've used. Maybe you're familiar with the 5 Whys technique.
Right.
Or you've used a fishbone diagram to visually represent those potential causes.
Oh, yeah.
Don't forget to share a specific example that really highlights your ability to conduct a thorough root cause analysis and implement those corrective actions.
Okay.
Now, before we move on, I want to touch on something that often comes up in these interviews.
Okay.
Certifications.
Certifications.
A RoleCatcher Guide mentions CQT, CQE, even Six Sigma belts.
Yeah. Are those really necessary to land a job?
It really depends on the specific role in the company. While they might not be mandatory for every entry-level position, they can definitely give you a competitive advantage.
Right.
They show potential employers you're serious about professional development, and you've invested the time and effort to gain those specialized skills.
So it's like a stamp of approval.
Yeah.
A way to stand out from the crowd.
But it's not just about having those letters after your name.
Right.
Certifications are most effective when they complement your experience, your technical skills, and those all-important soft skills.
So it's that combination that makes you a well-rounded candidate.
Exactly.
And speaking of standing out,
Yes.
let's loop back to RoleCatcher for a moment.
Okay.
You mentioned it can help tailor your resume for specific jobs, but can it really give you insights into the company itself?
It's actually pretty amazing.
Okay.
RoleCatcher's AI analyzes tons of data, company websites, employee reviews, news articles, even social media.
Wow.
To create a comprehensive picture of the organization.
Okay.
It can highlight key aspects of their culture, like their focus on innovation, teamwork, or sustainability.
Okay, that is seriously impressive. So it's like having a research assistant.
It is.
Working behind the scenes.
Yes.
Giving you that extra edge.
Exactly. And that knowledge can be incredibly valuable.
Yeah.
When you're trying to demonstrate that you're the perfect fit for their team.
Right.
Now, are you ready to tackle another challenging interview question?
Hit me with it. I'm feeling confident now. All right, hit me.
Okay, picture this.
Okay.
You've aced all the technical questions. Showcased your skills.
Yeah.
Impressed them with your knowledge.
Okay.
They lean back and ask. So tell me, why are you interested in this role?
Okay.
In this company? It seems simple. But it's a real test.
I see what you mean.
Yeah.
It's like they're looking for that spark, that genuine connection.
Yes.
That goes beyond just wanting a paycheck.
Exactly. This is your chance to show them.
Okay.
Why you're not just looking for any quality engineering technician job.
Right.
You're looking for this specific opportunity.
Okay.
Connect your passion for quality
Right.
with what you know about this company.
So if the company is known for, let's say, cutting-edge robotics,
Right.
and that's something that excites you,
Yes.
that's your chance to shine.
Precisely. Maybe you're drawn to their commitment to sustainable practices.
Right.
Or their reputation for investing in employee development.
Okay.
Show them you've done your research and you're not just sending out generic applications.
It's about finding that alignment.
Yes.
Where your interests and goals intersect with what the company stands for.
Exactly.
And RoleCatcher can help uncover those insights
It can.
about the company's values. It sounds like RoleCatcher can really be that secret weapon.
It is a great resource.
In your interview arsenal.
Absolutely.
Beyond the tools and the prep.
Yeah.
What's that one piece of advice you'd give to someone going into this field?
Think about the impact you want to make.
Okay.
Do you see yourself specializing in a certain industry? Maybe you're driven to climb that management ladder.
Right.
Or perhaps you dream of becoming a renowned quality expert. Sharing your knowledge and shaping the future of the field.
It's about having that vision that fuels your passion.
Keep that vision in mind as you prepare,
Right.
as you walk into that interview room.
Okay.
Because it's not just about landing the job. It's about embarking on a fulfilling journey
Right.
in a field that's all about making things better, safer, and more reliable.
So what does all of this mean for you, our listener?
Yes.
We've explored the core responsibilities. We've tackled those tough interview questions.
Right.
And we've equipped you with the knowledge and insights to confidently navigate this career path.
Absolutely.
Remember, knowledge is power.
But it's the application of that knowledge combined with your passion and dedication that will truly set you apart.
Okay, so
Go out there, be prepared, be confident.
and good luck.
You got this.